Good morning everyone, we're diving into the latest reveal that's sure to get all of your automotive and LEGO Technic fans hyped. Let's talk about the brand new Mercedes-Benz G500 professional line. 2019 was the last time we saw a proper brick-built off-roader for the LEGO Technic theme. But all of that is about to change on the 1st of August. Set number 42177, the Mercedes-Benz G500 professional line will fill the void left by the Land Rover Defender. This set, retailing for about $250, will include a whopping 2,891 pieces, making this the second biggest LEGO Technic set of the year, right behind the McLaren P1. The Mercedes G class is a legend in the automotive world, known for its rugged design and off-road capabilities. The LEGO Technic designers have based this model on the 2017 Mercedes G500, with this LEGO model is packed with real-life features and classic Technic play functions. The set includes a working steering, raised suspension, a 6-cylinder inline piston engine under its openable hood, and a detailed LEGO gearbox. You can open all 4 doors to access the detailed interior, complete with 4 seats, perfect for a LEGO family adventure. This set also includes plenty of prints and stickers for branding and detailing, as well as a brick-built accessories like a ladder, spare wheel, roof rack, and opening tailgate and hood. Personally, I think it's a fantastic addition, especially for off-road vehicle enthusiasts, but what do you think? Are you excited to add this set to your collection? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye!